Oh, he got he got a real one now. Got shocked. Got shocked by the real one. Two. He got a real one. Two. Two.
Amazing.
Two. Oh, not that competition.
He's drooling
Ooh,
so
doing
much.
all over my hand. Ooh. This is all over. Oh, he's spinning. Wow, achoo.
He's really gonna do it.
I've never seen him do that before.
Yeah. Your uncle is so cool.
I can't see. There you go. Now he's gonna teach Kaden how to do that too. In a couple days, Kaden will be doing it.
Is this Kaden? Yep. Oh, this is Ryan.